Hey guys, it's me, L69. Today, you guys have wanted me to do a Fidget collection review, so whatever. Let me just put my face up. If you want to offer for any using this video, just comment down below what you want to offer and type in your offer. First of all, I'm gonna show you my monkey noodles first. Okay, so I've got a green one, a yellow one, a blue one, and a pink one. They're my monkey noodles. This one, so my Fidget rainbow, my bike chain, black. Infinity cube, also black. Stress balls. Oh, these are my two stress balls. I've got one from Euro Cup and a Pokeball one. Pokemon. Sorry, I'm not. My face isn't in this one. Look, I'm like on there, so. Okay, my balls, and my stress balls. Here we go. Wacky track, which I've combined together. It's so short and now it's 9 meters long. Okay, next up is going to be my marble mesh. I've got green one, yellow one, red one, and a blue one. Squeeze them all. Squeeze them all. Okay, next up is my poppers. I haven't got people though. Lonely. Next up is my dimples. Got a yellow and green dimple, and a dimple spinner. Okay. And last one, my poppets. Got this poppet. I've got glow in the dark poppet, another glow in the dark poppet, colour changing glow in the dark poppet, tie dye poppets, jumbo poppets, and T-Rex poppet. And last but not least, my newest video I only got like 10 minutes ago. Rainbow Enormous Man poppets. I'm also going to be doing some songs on my puppets. Alright, just the song on my puppet. Thunder, for the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder. Okay, guys. Stop the big thunder. I'm doing lots of things with my fidgets today. So first up, thunder, lightning and the thunder, oh thunder. I'm really sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting is what I do. One of these days you stole my fidget house all over you. I'm really sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's pop. Pop it. Freaking pop it. bologna, chicken macaroni, chili with my. Okay, I'm skipping around. Anyways, I'm chilling with my homies. Chicken wings, hello. So, think the time I caught up my planeta, I know how to make the girls go crazy. So, think the time I caught up my planeta, I know how to make the girls go crazy. So, think the time I caught up my planeta, I know how to make the girls go crazy. I can teach you my number one baby. I know how to make the girls. I know how to make the girls go crazy. So, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sub, like, do whatever you want. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video from me. And bye, foxes!